So now let's go on to the topic on unit vector. So unit vector is a vector which have both magnitude and also direction. So for direction, a unit vector will follow direction of other vectors. And for the magnitude is equal to 1. So let's say that you want to find a unit vector which follows the direction of v. So the formula will be unit vector is equal to v over magnitude v. What if they want to follow the vector r? Therefore, unit vector u will be equal to r over magnitude r. So this is a formula for unit vector. So you can find a unit vector which follows direction of v here. And you know that the magnitude is equal to 1. And here, if I use another variable r, so the unit vector will be equal to r over magnitude r. And we will always remember that unit vector, the magnitude is equal to 1. So if you have vector v is equal to ab, so we can find unit vector of this v here. Let's say that this is u, or you can use this symbol here, v, with the symbol above here. The formula is v over magnitude v. So let's just put our v here, ai plus bj, over magnitude v, which is square root a squared plus b squared. So here, meaning that you want to find a vector u, unit vector, which follows the direction of v. However, the magnitude of this unit vector here is equal to 1. It will not follow the magnitude of the vector v. Now let's see this example here. For example, you are given a vector t is 12i minus 5j, and then you are asked to find a unit vector for t. So let's write the formula. Unit vector for t is equal to t over magnitude t. So let's fill in the formula for t, 12i minus 5j, divide with the magnitude of t, which is square root 12 squared plus minus 5 squared. So let's calculate this. This is equal to 13. So now let's simplify this one here. This is just 12 over 13i minus 5 over 13j. Or you can write your answer as, in bracket here, 12 over 13, comma, minus 5 over 13. So this is a unit vector that follows the direction of t. However, the magnitude is equal to 1. Now let's see this question here. You are asked to find vector v, where the magnitude later on is 15, and it will follow the direction of d, 3i minus 4j. So now you know to find vector v, you need to settle two things, which are direction and also the magnitude. So first of all, let's look at the direction of v. So it will follow the direction of d. So let's find unit vector for this d here. So the unit vector is d over magnitude d. So let's fill in our d, 3 minus 4 over, and then find the magnitude, 3 squared plus negative 4 squared in square root. So this is just 5. So let's rearrange our answer. Unit vector for d is 3 over 5, comma, negative 4 over 5. So now this one here is already settled on the part of direction. However, this unit vector is not v yet, okay, because in unit vector d, your magnitude is just 1. However, the question wants the magnitude of 15. So what should we do? So just take 15, multiply our unit vector, because the unit vector magnitude is 1. So unit 15, so just multiply it. Okay, so multiply it in the first part and also in second part I and also part j. So your answer is 9, negative 12, or you can write it as 9i minus 12j. Now let's see this question here. What is the vector v if the magnitude is equal to 25 and you want to follow direction of negative 6i plus 8j? So first of all, let's let u to be negative 6i plus 8j. Now let's first find direction of v. You need to find the unit vector u. So this is just u over magnitude u. So just write u here over magnitude u, Pythagorean theorem. So you'll get this and then simplify. So your unit vector is equal to negative 3 over 5i plus 4 over 5j. So that is just the unit vector for u. However, this is not the final answer yet because the magnitude now is just 1. We need our magnitude to be 25. What should we do is we just need to multiply 25 towards our unit vector. So 25 times our answer of unit vector here. So multiply it inside. So your answer is just negative 15i plus 20j. Or you can write your answer as negative 15, 20 inside the bracket.